Well, hi there, and welcome at Smiley Art. June 26th will be the launch of Toy Story 4, and in celebration of that event, I was thinking about making an illustration of one of their leading characters, being Buzz Lightyear. And I will make this one a style challenge, as I did some weeks ago with Super Mario. If you want to see that one again, I will put a link in the comment section. So that means I will be drawing Buzz Lightyear not in his original style, but in my own style, which is more like an American comic book kind of style. And that should be a lot of fun, so let's not wait any longer and let's get drawing. I know, normally now you would see the big reveal of the illustration being colored digitally, and that's still coming up, so don't panic. But I wanted to show you guys a very neat and easy trick to enhance this illustration and create, in a very effective but quick way, a space background so that the original artwork is a bit more cool also. So let's get into that. So about this trick to make a very quick space background, this is a trick I picked up from comic book artist Jim Lee. He uses this a lot in his sketches. Go check it out on his YouTube channel where he does this a lot. What you need is some Indian ink, poured some on a little plate here, and a piece of paper tissue or paper towel. You can paint very quick big surfaces and create a background, and you can create some textures. So when the towel is still very wet like now, it will be creating some very dark spots on your page. And as the paper towel gets drier, the shade that you're applying on the paper will be getting lighter, so you can get a gradient effect. This is also a very cool effect to create night skies, and this is basically what I do for the whole background. So let's speed this up a little, and I will be back with you for the next step. So for this next step we will be needing some white gouache, which is a opaque white paint diluted with a little bit of water, and a toothbrush. And I use a piece of random paper to protect the image of Buzz Lightyear. And we're going to do a splatter effect. This will create an effect of stars in the background and planets and all the mumbo jumbo that you can find in space, I guess. So when the brush grows drier, you get smaller splatters. When it's wetter, you get bigger splatters, and it's interesting to have both in your image because some stars are closer and some are more in the distance. And now to finish it off, I will be using a white gel pen to add some additional stars. So here and there I'm adding a little dot of white with the white gel pen, and those dots are a little bit bigger than the splatter that I get with the toothbrush, so that I have different textures in the background, and that makes it a lot more interesting. And there you have it, a nice space background. Very easy to do, very quick, not a lot of materials, very cheap materials also. That's the trick of the day. But now let's get on with the video and let's see how this looks when it's colored digitally. And there you have it, Buzz Lightyear in my own style. And hey, did you guys like the little tutorial part I included in this video? Let me know this in the comment section. I am planning some other tutorials for the future, so if there are some techniques that you would like me to show you guys, please let me know and I will make a video about it. What kind of illustration or drawing challenge would you like me to do in future videos? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like the content of this video, maybe it's a good idea to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any content I put up in the future. It would mean a lot. High resolution versions of all my drawings can be found on deviantart.com/smully. And if you like to stay in touch through social media, you can follow me there as well. You can find all links down below in the comment section. That's it for now. We'll see each other again next Friday for a new Smiley Art video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.